Welcome to Biology Beacon. Have you ever wondered what would happen if, one day, all humans simply disappeared from the Earth? It might sound like the plot of a science fiction movie, but this thought experiment reveals fascinating insights into our impact on the planet and what might happen in our absence. Let's start with the immediate aftermath. Within just a few hours of humans disappearing, most cities would fall into darkness. Without anyone to maintain power plants, the electricity grid would fail. The world would go quiet, no more hum of cars, airplanes, or machinery. In the absence of human activity, wildlife would start to reclaim urban areas. Deer, foxes, and other animals would venture into cities, taking advantage of the sudden lack of humans. Birds would nest in skyscrapers, and weeds would sprout through cracks in the pavement. Within days, the absence of maintenance would become more noticeable. Without humans to treat water, pipes would rust and break, flooding streets and homes. Sewer systems would back up, causing environmental contamination. Domesticated animals, like dogs and cats, would face new challenges. Some would adapt quickly to a feral lifestyle, while others might struggle to survive without human care. Livestock, too, would be left to fend for themselves, leading to a dramatic shift in animal populations. As months passed, nature would take over even more. Plants would start to overgrow buildings, and roads would crack and crumble under the weight of encroaching vegetation. Forests would expand into abandoned farmland, and rivers would change course without dams and levees to control them. Wildlife populations would grow, filling ecological niches that humans had once dominated. Predators would thrive without hunting pressure, and species that had been endangered or driven out by human activity might make a comeback. Fast forward a few decades, and most human-made structures would begin to collapse. Without maintenance, skyscrapers would rust and topple, bridges would fall, and roads would be overtaken by forests. The only remnants of human civilization might be our most durable creations, like stone monuments and certain plastics. The atmosphere and oceans would start to recover from pollution. The air would become cleaner, and marine life would flourish without overfishing. Coral reefs, damaged by climate change and pollution, might slowly begin to heal. Over the centuries, Earth's ecosystems would stabilize, and the planet would likely return to a state similar to before humans evolved. However, some of our impacts would be permanent. Nuclear power plants, without human oversight, might lead to radioactive contamination in certain areas. Also, the carbon dioxide we released into the atmosphere would continue to affect the climate for thousands of years. In a world without humans, Earth would continue to evolve, shaped by natural forces. Our absence would allow nature to rebound, but traces of our existence would remain, embedded in the planet's geological record. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it serves as a powerful reminder of the profound impact humans have on Earth. It's a thought-provoking way to consider our role in the environment and the legacy we might leave behind. Thank you for watching. If you found this exploration interesting, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos from Biology Beacon. Until next time, stay curious.